draw learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a vintage computer while we learn Spanish. This is the screen, that in Spanish is said, pantalla. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is ojos. Very good! These are the buttons to turn the display on and off. Buttons in Spanish are said, botones. This is the mouse, that in Spanish is said, ratón. Now we draw the keyboard. With the keyboard, we can write on our computer. Keyboard in Spanish is teclado. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say computer in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use the gray color, which in Spanish is gris. Now we use light blue, that is said, azul claro. Let's go with black. Black in Spanish is negro. Let's go with the brown, that in Spanish is said, marrón. Let's see if you know the answer. Computer in Spanish is ordenador. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!